everyone, welcome to Vlogtember day 11. Ooh, sound like crack. No, didn't crack. But anyway, it is 11:51, 52-ish, and I'm about to go to my internship, and this is what I'm wearing. This little top from H&M, blazer from H&M, belt from H&M, jeans from Dillard's, Kate Spade bag, earrings from H&M, I believe, and yeah, so this is just, I'm feeling really, classy, I wish this belt got tighter so that it could like cinch it in a little bit, but I feel like it still adds a great deal of detail to the fit, so it's gonna stay on. So yeah, I should be leaving now, so I'm gonna catch you later. I might vlog at my internship. I don't know, she's pretty cool with it. I mean, last time I vlogged, but I don't know, so we're gonna see. I'm taking product pictures of the necklace. Y'all, everything was going too smooth. I promise you, it was going too smooth for it to be too, I don't know, it was just going too smooth. I left my internship like 15 minutes late, but I was like, it's okay, it's cool. And I get in the car and I'm like, let me see how long it's going to take me to get back to my part of town. Why did it say an hour and 30 minutes? An hour and 30 minutes? I'm supposed to be leaving my house in an hour and 30 minutes to go to the photo shoot. So how the heck? And I still gotta get dressed, do my makeup, all of that. But I guess push come to shove, I could get dressed and do my makeup in the car. But still, like, that just ticked me all the way off, because like, what's even happening? Like, what's even going on? Like, there is so much traffic. Like, these people are just